Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Fatit beitenjan, which is also known as eggplant casserole. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 2 small eggplants or 1 large one. Then you're going to need 1.5 to 2 pita breads. These are the thin pita breads that we're going to cut up into squares. You're going to need about 1 bunch of parsley, half of a large lemon, 3 garlic cloves. You're going to need about 1 cup of almonds, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, some canola oil for frying, 1 full tub of yogurt, plain yogurt, and then you're also going to need 3 tablespoons of tahini. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So in a pan, we went ahead and heated some canola oil, and we cut up our pita bread into small squares like this, and we're going to go ahead and fry it until it's a golden color. This is the color you want the bread to be. You want it to be like a golden color once it's fried, and we went ahead and put a paper towel under to soak up the excess oil. And now we're going to go ahead and prepare the eggplant so we can also fry that. First, you're just going to go ahead and cut the core off of the eggplant, and then we went ahead and cut off some of the peel. So you're going to do like 1 line cut off and 1 line not, and then you're going to cut them into circles and then into little squares. And once the eggplant is all cut up, you're going to go ahead and sprinkle with some salt and let it sit for about 10 minutes. And what this does is it helps it not soak up as much oil when you're frying it. After 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and fry the eggplants. And this is the same oil that we used to fry the bread. And this is the color that you want your eggplants to be. You want them to be a golden color. And then you're just going to go ahead and transfer them on top of the bread. We went ahead and put a paper towel so that the excess oil can be soaked up by that paper towel. And then once we're done transferring it, we're going to go ahead and get started on the yogurt sauce. And after frying the eggplants and transferring them onto the paper towel, now we're going to go ahead and get started on the yogurt sauce. So over here we have the 1 tub of yogurt, and we're going to add the lemon, the garlic, the tahini, and the salt, and we're going to mix it in together very well. So we went ahead and fried our almonds, and now we're going to go ahead and start layering everything. And we also chopped up the parsley into pieces like this. So the first thing we're going to be doing is just removing the paper towels from the bread and the eggplant, and it's okay if they mix up together. And then now we're going to go ahead and add the yogurt sauce. So you don't want to add the yogurt sauce until this is ready to serve, because it will make the bread soggy. So just add the yogurt sauce once you're going to serve it. And then after adding the yogurt sauce, we're going to top it with the almonds and parsley. And this is what it will look like after adding the almonds and parsley. And now this eggplant casserole is ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.